Sesame Street, learn and play with me. Animals, sounds, counting, and colors. Elmo sees
one daring dog.
a spotted Dalmatian. The daring dog helps out at the fire station. Grover sees
two extra large elephants.
on the savannah. The extra large elephants share a banana. Zoe finds
three curious cats.
playing inside the barn. The curious cats play a game with some yarn. Abby sees
four friendly frogs.
they splash and they play. The friendly frogs wave as they hop away. The count counts
five bouncy bats.
Then he counts them again. The bouncy bats know that the count is their friend. Ernie spies
six mischievous monkeys.
goofing around. The mischievous monkeys jump up and down. Oscar sees
seven wiggly worms.
worms slither and spin. The wiggly worms make the grouchy grouch grin. Big Bird hears
eight busy bugs.
Tweedlebugs as he plants and he sows. The busy bugs buzz from rows to rows. Bert spots
nine beautiful
birds flying home to their nest. The beautiful birds are ready to rest. Elmo counts
10 sleepy sheep.
sheep when he closes his eyes, and sleepy sheep sing Elmo sweet lullabies.